Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to give a quick commentary on the Model X scale model from Tesla. After playing around with it for about a day. My first video I showed the unboxing, but my mic was dead, no battery in it. So sorry about that, didn't get my reaction, but I really like this model kit. Few things I found out about it. It does come with this little tool that this old Model S did not have, and this allows you to open all the little doors and hoods and trunks, and it also comes with this little white piece that I have no idea what it does. If you guys know what this thing does, just let me know in the comments below. And another thing that I found out was the spoiler. I was saying, hey, the spoiler is not up since it's the model P100. It is down until it reaches 70 miles per hour. So I was just playing around with it to see if it could open, and it actually does. How cool is that? See? So the spoiler actually moves, could go up and down like the rear one. If you go into details, it does not have the light that is on the bottom of it in the real one, but I think it's a very good representation of it. Really nice detail. Love the fact that it could actually open and close. Again, this tool is definitely very useful. I think this is as high as it could go. There's not much else I could say. I think it looks very accurate. Midnight color, midnight silver, I love it. I was gonna get the white one, but it looks kind of boring, and they don't have a red one, which I have in real life, but this one, the silver, came out really nice and shiny. And again, it's actually a very popular color for the Tesla 3 and X, apparently. Okay, let's just do a quick measurement of the weight. I got a scale right here. Let's compare it to the old one first. Zeroed out. Okay. So this is the Model S. P85, I think. Yeah, P85. And this one weighs in at 2 pounds, 12 ounces, 13 ounces. I think the Model X will weigh a little bit more. Definitely heftier. Okay, it's at 3 pounds, 7.5 ounces. So about 11 ounces more, 12 ounces more. Less than a pound more. Okay. We'll do a quick 360 again for you guys. Definitely worth it. I actually picked up the cheaper version of the Model X. It'll be arriving soon. I'll just do a comparison video if I have time, and I bought that one in red just to see how it compares to this official one. Overall, I'm very happy with this model. Definitely a collector's item. Is a great for your display, putting in your desk. And let me open everything. The Falcon doors actually do creak, if you hear that, just like in real life. And then let's get the other one open. They're all glue marks, but I think it's fine.